for the first time, the DC then gave us protection, the police gave us protection, giving Mungiki protection, when everybody was scared of Mungiki.
Yeah.
And that is the day I announced and said, in Kenya we no longer need old people to lead this nation. We need young people. Now we were sent just to prepare for the introduction of announcement of Uhuru Kenyatta. We were not allowed, we were told not to mention the name, but say, we the young people, then we were young people. We the young people, we are tired of the old people. If Moi is going, Moi must go with the old. Now we were targeting Kibaki. Moi must go with the old. And as I made it, it was the back page of the Nation newspaper, and also the whole media was there, we were covered, and the whole world was shocked to see Mungiki guarded or being protected by the DC. The DC was at ground. And we did many other things. And as days went by, because now we had the capacity, Mungiki became a monster. And we were a government by ourselves.